Hey, Austin here from TripasGarage. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install our 2JZ crank trigger kit. Here's what's included in our kit. You get the 12-tooth trigger wheel, a few shims, all the hardware necessary, the hub, the sensor, and the sensor bracket. What's not included in the kit that you must use is thread locker. This thing is going to be spinning super fast. You do not want this flying off. Applying blue thread locker to all the rotating hardware before installation. Start by removing the serpentine belt. We can now install the hub and secure it with the two tapered bolts. Remember to apply thread locker to these bolts. Torque these bolts to 25 to 30 foot-pounds. Remove the nut and bolt securing the alternator. Install the sensor mount onto the alternator as shown and secure it with the factory nut and longer bolt provided in the kit. Let's install the serpentine belt and mount the sensor to the bracket with the provided hardware. Install the trigger wheel and secure it in place with the 4 provided bolts. Remember to use thread locker. Torque these 4 bolts to 13 to 15 foot-pounds. Before starting your engine, you must rotate the crank assembly by hand to verify the teeth do not make contact with the sensor. Using a filler gauge, you will set the gap between the sensor and the teeth between 0.3 millimeters and 0.8 millimeters. I'm using a 0.63 millimeter, which is too thick to fit as is, and I will need to mount the sensor further back to get a larger gap. We do this by using the shims provided in the kit until the desired gap is achieved. And that's all there is to it for mounting the TripasGarage crank trigger wheel. Thank you again all for your support. I couldn't do this without you.